Welcome back to SkillStart.io. My name is Alhelia. In our last video, we discussed how to switch from the Ethereum network to the Polygon network using our MetaMask browser extension wallet. In this video, we're going to discuss how to purchase Polygon Matic tokens on the Polygon blockchain. The first thing we need to do is open up our browser, and we want to go to MoonPay.com. MoonPay.com is a fantastic service that we call an on-ramp. And what this means is that you can buy cryptocurrency with fiat. So we will be buying Matic today on the Polygon network using USD. So click on Buy Crypto, and it will pop up with this screen here. Obviously it says buy Bitcoin or sell Bitcoin. We want to buy, but we don't want to buy Bitcoin. We want to buy Matic tokens. And when you go down the list, you can see that the Matic token says Polygon next to it, but it also has Polygon written in parentheses here. And what this means is that this is going to be on the Polygon network. So let's click there. We can go ahead and put the amount of cryptocurrency we would like to buy. In this case, we would like to purchase $100 worth of Matic tokens, which comes out to 36.54 tokens. And you can see the price is valid for another 5 seconds. If we hit continue, it will prompt us to accept this with our MetaMask wallet. So we can hit connect, and it will go ahead and automatically connect to the MetaMask wallet that we set up and created in our previous video. If you have not seen that video, I suggest you go watch it. A link to it will be right here. Now that it says our wallet address here, it says MetaMask, and there is a green dot indicating we are good to go, we can hit continue. It will ask us to enter an email address that will create an account for us, and then we hit continue. Now it will go ahead and send a verification code to that email address that we have just provided. Once you have finished verifying your identity by uploading the required verification documents, you will get to this screen where it says make your payment. And you should see your payment method now displayed. It will tell you the amount of Matic that we will get, which is 36.48 Matic for $100. And then we just need to agree to the terms of use. One thing that I do like to do is just go into my MetaMask and make sure that I'm on the Polygon network, and then hit buy now. It says processing your payment. All right, so we have an order ID now, and it has the address in which we are sending our funds. So it says we are purchasing your crypto. It takes a few minutes to a couple hours possibly, and then they'll deliver it for us. And I just got an email saying that the order has been placed, so we should be good to go. And in a short while, we'll come back, and this 0 Matic should have just over 36 Matic in it. So we will be right back when this is updated and we have received our funds from MoonPay to MetaMask. And we are back. And when we go to our browser extension and click on MetaMask, you can see we now have 36.48 Matic in our wallet. In the next video, we will go over how to purchase skill tokens through SkillStart.io's website using Matic tokens on the Polygon network. We'll see you in that video.